In order to record sounds on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE, all you have to do is simply go to the Recorder app, which we can find in the Samsung folder in the app drawer. There it is, we have a voice recorder. And then we can start recording ourselves by just pressing this red button with the microphone at the bottom of the screen. If you go here for the first time, you might need to grant some permissions so that the app can actually use the microphone so that it can record us, and probably something related to saving files as well. And once you have the recording going, you can also use marks. You can create these marks over here. Later on, you can return to them. You can pause or stop the recording at any point. So if you press the square button, then you can save the recording. You can set up the name. You can use a category, and let's save our recording. And that's pretty much it. Of course, later on we can return to the recording, we can play it. We also have a bunch of different options to choose from. Over here we have our bookmarks. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.